Welcome friend, my name is Raj Barge. I am co-director, founder of Raj Computer Education. The purpose of this course is to provide education to students so they can work into industry. Now today we'll be understanding four basic commands. And please share this, subscribe this channel. Thank you. So what are the four commands we are going to understand and learn? The first is rotate, second is flip, chamfer and array. These are four important commands. So what is rotate? It will rotate your object. So this is again part of modify command. So we'll be going for rotate command. So what I do, see, first I draw anything. I go to this AutoCAD. Suppose I draw this kind of object. This is my object. Let me draw something. So I'll be drawing this way. This is my object from this point, this point, then this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, this this point, and again close. See, so it's done. So this is my object. Basically, I have to rotate this object. Fine. So what I do, I say rotate. The command for rotate is very simple. The command is ROTAT, rotate or RO. Fine. So I say just RO. That is RO. Enter. It says what you want to rotate. This is select the object. So I just click on this object and select entire thing. Then I press enter. So it says what is your base point? From which point I want to rotate? From this point, from this point, this point. So I want to rotate from this point. Fine. Or this point, any. I choose this one. After that, if it is asking me, I'm just hiding this. It is asking me what angle. I say I rotate this to 90 angle. Enter. Let's change. Got it? So what is rotate? That means if things are not in proper order, you can rotate them. Clear? That is the first thing. Second command is very interesting one. I like this command very much. These are fill and chamfer. These are two commands. See what happens if I want to create some similar this kind of curve somewhere. So I'll be choosing fillet. I'll be using fillet. It's very important. So what I do, I draw something here first. So I clear this command, original previous command. So I can just say pan, and this, I can just move this page sidewise. Fine. I'm choosing this coordinate. So this is my 0, 0 coordinate. Replacing something here. So after this pan command, I'll be saying I'll be drawing something. So let me draw some first rectangle. So I draw a rectangle. I say start line. So it is saying line at starting at what? I'm saying line. Please draw line 10, comma 10. Okay, this is my first coordinate. Then again draw a line which is of 40 length at 0 angle. So that is done. Fine. I undo this. I will be okay. This is mixing with the previous drawing. I want to move this line from this point to this line. So last time we learned command called as move. Press enter. So it says select object. So I said this object is to be selected. So it says what is the point of displacement from this point, and to move this line this way. That we think the point of displacement is first. We will choose one. Second point of displacement. So I say please move this line 20 positions to angle 180. Right? So I started with this line now. I say again line. I can just pick any point out of it. So I chosen this line. And to go upward, so I'll be choosing second point. So I'll be saying from this, draw something with a 30 length and angle 90. Fine. Then again, I want to draw a line which is of 40 at 40 distance. The angle is 180. Fine. And again to close it, so we're saying from again 30 distance, come down, angle is 270. Normally this is a rectangle item. To zoom this out, so we're saying ZOOM zoom. So when I zoom this all, so this is rectangle, but this is not in chamfer format. So I'll be needing this similar kind of same rectangle. So I'll be just copying it first only, or I can just chamfer it. So what the command I have to now learn? I'm going for flip command. Flip is a round area in the corner, and this corner will be of 5 inches or 5 units. So what to do them? How to do them? So for flip, you have to say FILLET, flit. So it is saying, yeah, what you want to go for? I want to use radius. I say I want to use radius. Okay. What is the radius you are going to use? I say radius I want 5. Because see, my length is 30 and 40. So 5. Distance is 5. Okay. It says select the first object. I select this first object and select second object. What happens? Check it. Is done. Got it? If I want to do it for all the corners, it's very simple. Just press enter, repeat the command, and see, radius is automatically chosen. 5 is there already. Just click on, press enter. Again, choose first line, second line. Again, choose first line and second line. So how fast was this? It was very easy. So what is this? What the command we have learned? We have learned something called as like fillet. So it's always a rounded corner. Chamfer is very similar to this, but it's not in a rounded corner. It is angle. It just cuts the line. So for that again I require similar object. So what I do again, I say I draw same thing. Again I go for rectangle. So even I can go for rectangle also. So I can say RECT rect. So in this rect, it is asking me for first coordinate. So I'll be choosing. I would like to choose this corner. So this is something as 43 and 40 35. I'll be setting my starting coordinate is 45 comma 35. Okay, so it is that. What is another corner? I want corner in the top. So what I choose? I choose something distance from first line 85, 85, comma, and next 70. Okay. So I want to zoom it again. I created a rectangle. I say zoom and to zoom it all. I have it now. And to just now chamfer it and to cut this way. So I have to cut from this point to this point, this point to this point. So in this line, I want to keep this distance starting from this to this. This is approximately 35, 45. I want to keep this as a 5 and this as 2.5 or 2. So I want to make it a cross cut here. So what to do? Again says chamfer. Chamfer is that. It is saying what you want to. You want to go for what? You want to go with angle, you want to go with distance. So I say distance. So it is saying what is my first distance. So I say distance. It is saying chamfer first distance. So I say my first distance is 5. And second distance is 2. This is okay. Then I just see this is my first point. So that is 5. And this is my second. Again I press enter and to repeat the command. This is my this is my this is my first. This is my first and this is my second. Enter. I have to repeat the command. Then this is my this is my first. This is my first and this is my second. No, this is wrong. Ulta ho gaya. Just undo it. Say Ctrl Z. Repeat the command. This is my again I zoom all. I paste the command. Again I say chamfer CHA. The distance is there. It is saying distance is 3. My first distance is 5. My second distance is 2. So I choose this as my first point. and this as a second point. I repeat the command. This is my first point and this is my second point. So I think it is correct now. Again I repeat. So this is my first. This is my first and this is my second. Now in this case, again repeat the command. This is my first and this is my second. You see, it's chamfer from all the ways. So distinction between fillet and chamfer is that it it, it creates a rounded corner and this creates a slash. Now next topic is array, but today we will not be learning array. Thanks friends.